check it. The mic bandit, back at it again, grabbing the pen. All of a sudden, mad at the men. Yeah, you know what I had him at amen. And people be trying to stop him, but they can't again. They tried, but they all died. Denied by the fact that I lived my life above all of the else's. All of the elves is chasing me, yeah, their hearts is pulsing. Beating, yeah, they can't beat him. I feel the means retreating. They seeped in inside of their veins, inside of their brains. Yep, all of a sudden I'm alive again. Frankenstein's monster's back, yep, attacking. Anybody won't relax. I'm here to make all of you shits and bads get back in, sent back into the crack. Yet imagine him again, the man who came back with the magic pen. Yeah, Phantom is what they call me now because I'm gone, just like your grandma style. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5. That boom bap hip hop is still alive, and we be rapping off the cycles. Deny him, I be going psycho. Yeah, righteous hoes, they be trying to say that I'm delightful. Yep, might fright you, might deny you. When I go high, yep, right to sky's view. Yep, you cannot see me, yeah, right through all of your brains and all of your monsters. Everybody say that he's all stomped up, but I ain't stomped up, not for sure. I keep on rapping cause I got raps galore. I go back to the time when I spat fast and faster than the rats who kick their asses. I'll be making you all feel like this is that and that is faster with the bit, the bat. That's it. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Name?
Camp.
Camp?
Camp.
Nice to meet you, Camp. Cody.
Cody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
How long stay in
5 days.
5 days?
Yeah, 5 days.
Only Osaka?
Osaka, Kyoto.
Kyoto.
Yeah.